Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have Gatherberry Goods, which is a maybe home decor, home lifestyle box. So with this box, I filmed this entire unboxing and it was awesome. Then somehow lost the footage. First time ever in my career to do this. So I'm actually refilming this again. So I do actually already know what's in here. And the bummer part is she had wrapped each item beautiful in this custom tissue paper, and I got to unwrap each item with you guys. We're not gonna be able to do that because I've already unwrapped it. But the box is really, really cool. The product's really cool, so that part's good. So they are a bespoke home and lifestyle box for those that love to entertain. It's a quarterly box and they ship 5 to 7 items. It's $89 a quarter and that includes shipping, and you get about a $200 value in each box. And they have a great online store. You can go check that out. So this is not what it looked like when Gatherberry sent it to me. It was beautiful and everything was tucked away in the tissue paper. I mean, I've already drank a drink from this and used one of the products. So on top, she had all the information about the box, what's in the box, recipes, all that kind of good stuff on great paper, super chic, loving it. Also, all the printouts actually match the products in the box. And then the theme is drink up, and inside here are recipes. So she has a Negroni, the tasty Tuscan pear, and the non-spiked punch. We'll probably make a Negroni together. That's my husband's favorite. Then inside here, we have 2 packs of napkins. This is the one that is already open because I dove in and was using them. Aren't they so cute? So you have 2 of those. There's 20 napkins in each pack, so there's 40 napkins. And then this cute little tabletop calendar. So it sits, and there's one for every month. Can y'all see? There's a calendar for every month. And then this is just a wood tray. So simple. You just set the calendar in there like that. Isn't that cool? And then inside are coordinating coasters. They're so cute. I'm loving this palm beachy theme, but everything is in black and white. I'm digging that. There are 20 coasters inside here. And then these are the glasses that she had so beautifully wrapped with her tissue paper that I'm not gonna get to show y'all, but this glass says, ooh la la. This one says delish. This one says bottoms up. And this one says cheers. And then these are items that I was not able to pack back in the box like she did, so I just set them down here. Here is the big bottle that you put your drink in that you can then serve. It says drink up, and see how it coordinates with all this? It's so cute. So you can mix your mixed drink from your recipes, put it in here, and then serve on these with these accent pieces. But look, she also gave the cutest acrylic serving tray. Now, if you've been watching my Instagram, you know I'm in the middle of a patio makeover. We gutted out the entire patio so that it can be a better hangout spot. I am so excited about this. This will be so cute on my patio. Look, look. So I say we make a Negroni because it's part of my job to test everything, and we need to test to see if this recipe is real and if it really works. Okay, so just a quick recap. This box cost me $89 and I got 4 glasses, 2 sets of napkins, all of the coasters, the pitcher and the tray and the calendar. I happen to think this is a bang up deal, and I like that it's a lifestyle home box for entertainers. It's just, I don't know, I think it's a great niche, and I think it pairs in really well with my other home decor boxes, which I love. Okay, so she gave us the recipe for a Negroni. I'm not a really big fan, but I know my husband is, so I thought this would be fun to make, and then I'll call him in here if I don't mess it up. Okay, so it says a cup of gin, Y'all don't laugh. I don't have like a fancy funnel. I just have like the funnel. And I don't plan on wearing these bright colors. And then it says a cup of Campari. That actually smells kind of good. Ooh, look at the color. That's fun. And then it says a cup of sweet vermouth. This is the stuff that I just don't get. If you are a vermouth drinker, you need to comment below and tell me what your favorite drink is. Because I think this stuff is horrible, but my husband loves it. So therefore I don't like have ideas of what to make with it, but ugh. Bonus points if you can comment with a drink that I actually like. I don't know if that's possible. All right, so let me go grab some ice for my glasses. Okay, so I'm gonna scoot this over. Put out coasters. This is a perk of being your own boss. It can literally be 9:37 in the morning and you're pouring yourself a drink. Hey babe.
What you got for me?
Ooh, you get the delish glass.
The delish glass.
This is my Gatherberry box and it has a recipe for a Negroni.
Oh, I love Negronis.
So I figured Negroni at 9:40.
You never make me a Negroni.
Because it's kind of gross.
Oh, that's good.
Oh my gosh.
It's good. It's probably the vermouth that you don't like.
It literally tastes like cough syrup.
No, it's good. It's good.
No. But, okay, so. Okay.
Cheers to me.
And 9:40 in the morning. Okay. If you guys have any questions about Gatherberry Goods, comment below. I'll do my best to answer them, or I will gather the information from the owner. She is amazing and hand curates all of this and is very hands-on in her customer service as well. All of my communication with her has been awesome. If you want to go down below, you can order this box. I don't know when she pivots over to the next season, so maybe follow her on Instagram so that if you want to skip this one and be surprised for the next season, you can dive in and grab that. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.